How to turn off iPhone ads. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily turn off iPhone ads. So turning off ads on your iPhone is quick and easy, and I'm going to walk you through the steps. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply scroll down and tap on privacy and security. And once you are in this section, you need to keep scrolling all the way down until you find the option labeled Apple advertising. So simply tap on it and make sure the settings is turned off, and this will prevent Apple from showing you personalized targeted ads. And if you also want to remove ads while browsing, you need to open up the Safari or any web browser. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the reader mode icon. This looks like a four horizontal lines shown in the top left or the bottom left corner depending on your device. And this will reload the page with just the content, completely ad free. And that's it. Now your iPhone experience is cleaner and ad-free. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.